Uncle June. I just want to say thank you for a lot of stuff that you've done for my whole family. Whether it be kind of keeping my mom company, making her laugh, or making my dad laugh, being his friend, or just being another old guy that he can laugh with. I thank you for those things when it comes to my parents, but the thing that I want to thank you for personally is when I was in Japan and when I was going through my own stuff over there, you were living here with us and you were keeping my brother company, and I want to thank you for being a good influence on him for a while and just kind of keeping his head on his shoulders. I can tell that, I guess, your time with him here kind of helped shape like the good person that he is today. And hopefully I can continue to, keep that up in your honor, but also just to kind of build my relationship with my brother. But I guess I didn't realize how important you were to my family until it was too late, and I want to apologize for that, but you're a good guy, and I wish I could have gotten to know you better. And yeah, I'm still in shock about this whole thing, but I hope that you can rest easy and just keep Tatay some company and just protect us all. But yeah, thank you for everything.
Hey Uncle June, it's Justin here. I just wanted to thank you for everything. Thank you for teaching me how to drive. Thank you for always being there for everyone. And I just wanted to thank you for always being there for my mom when she needed someone. I know this is very sudden, but I hope you are rested and I hope you're going to be taking care of Tatay up there. But thank you for everything, and I'll try my best to take care of everyone here. Thanks.
Tito, alam ko naririnig mo to, Tito. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng memories mo sa amin, sa pagmamahal mo sa amin. Nung maliliit pa kami, lagi kang may pasalubong sa amin galing abroad. Pag may galaan, sasama mo kami. Lahat yun nandito, Tito. Hindi ka namin makakalimutan. Alam ko kasama mo na din si Papang at si Lord. At lagi mong babantayan ang family mo dito. Lagi mo silang gagabayan sa lahat ng kailangan nila. Sa lahat ng pupuntahan nila, lahat ng gagawin nila. Ikaw na bahala sa kanila dito. Ikaw na yung magsisilbing angel nila. Mahal na mahal ka namin dito. Yun lang.
Ay Tito, paano ba sisimulan to? Hindi kasi ako marunong sa mga ganitong speech pero alam ko hindi ka na mapapagod, hindi ka na may stress, wala ka nang iisipin, kasama na kayo ni Papang dyan, pahinga na kayo, ikaw tita na bahala sa mga pinsan namin. Daya mo naman dito, wala ka na agad, dahil mo pa namang plano. Ilang saglit lang, daya talaga. Tingin mo pa naman bago ka nakauwi tapos ganyan na nangyari. Mamimiss ka namin dito. Sana i-greet mo kami lagi. Sila tita, sila mga pinsan ko, pinsan namin. Ayun lang dito. I miss you. Sana okay ka na dyan.
Hi, Tito. Sanama sa mga adventures na nila mo kami. Yung cover namin na Tito. Hindi mo na kami madadala sa iba pang adventures kasi masyado mo naman kami iniwang maaga. Miss na miss ka na namin kung nasan ka man ngayon. Just watch over for us and with Papa. Love you.
Hi, Tito. Miss ka na namin. Sana nasa heaven ka na, kasama ka na ni Papang. Dapat sana, mag-travel to tayo lagi. Road trip, mga ganun. Miss ko na yun. Pero miss na rin kita dito. I love you.
I'm so sorry to hear the passing of our brother-in-law, Johnny Whips. My heart breaks for you, Glenda, and your family during this difficult time. Words cannot express how deeply sorry of your loss, Adinko, and the whole Whips family. May the love all those around you provide you comfort and peace during this difficult time. My deepest condolence for you passing of our brother-in-law. I love you all.
Hello pa. Hindi pa rin ako mapaniwala. Ayaw ko pa rin maniwala. Pasensya na at hindi ako nakauwi dyan. Pasensya na at ngayon wala ka na. Ngayon ko lang sasabihin na mahal kita. Pero alam kong ayaw mong hindi kami mag-move on. Kaya tatanggapin ko na wala ka na. Na ako na yung bahala sa naiwan mong pamilya sa amin. Sana pa mapayapa ka na ngayon. Sana nagkita na kayo ni Lolo. Nagkwentuhan na rin kayo. Masyado kasi kayo nagkamisan. Ayun. Mahal kita pa. Salamat. Ako.
Sino yan?
Musli. Si Musli.
Si Musti.
Ha?
Musti.
Eto nga, Musli nga gusto ko dito eh.
With the Kia. Wait.